Premium finish. Built to last and matches Hansgrohe kitchen products. Dimensions. 2 in depth by 2.3 in tall. Shower head compatibility. Fits hangrohe handshowers such as PowderRain, Raindance and Croma collections. Hose compatibility. Pairs best with Hansgrohe Techniflex shower hoses. Additional compatibility. Fits most shower hoses with 1/2 inch diameter. Wall mount. Installs using supplied screws and optional anchors. Installation notes. Hansgrohe recommends a licensed plumber install this product. Design. With a range of models and styles, paired with the quality and design you expect from Hansgrohe, dream bathrooms become a reality. Accessories by Hansgrohe exude beautiful design with superior performance and durability. Pick your desired collection, then browse the entire product suite for complementary towel bars, soap dispensers, and more. German engineering ensures a lifetime of consistent and dependable operation. Top reviews from the United States. Looks nice. Holds handheld shower nicely. 16 words required. What else can you say about a bracket for a handheld shower?